Hey everybody! Check this out. Go to the website www.theteacherscorner.net. In their navigation, choose Printable Worksheets. Then choose Crossword Maker. Now, you could fill in the form down below with your answers and clues, then click on the big green Make Crossword Puzzle button. And while this website does an exceptional job of then creating your crossword puzzle, let's be frank, that is now the old way of doing things. Let me show you some new tricks that can save you an enormous amount of time. So once you are on their Crossword Maker page, click on the green Generate Clues and Words with AI button. If you don't already know, crossword puzzles need several clues, and also the answers to those clues to make a puzzle. So even if you know your answers, the process of getting the clues can take a very long time, and then you have to go to a website and type them into a website form one by one and then blah, 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 blah. So here's the thing. On theteacherscorner.net, you don't have to worry about all that. You can create literally everything in just a few seconds. Really? So here are 3 slightly different ways to do this on theteacherscorner.net's Crossword Maker. Wait till the end because they get increasingly more awesome as we go. First, if you already have all of your clues and answers, then just copy and paste them into this large box, with the answer first, followed by the caret character followed by the clue. Each line should contain one answer, followed by one clue. Once they're pasted in, click on the Transfer Clues to Form button. That will place them into the form for you, and then you can slide down and click the big green button to create the puzzle. That wasn't too tough. However, and this is where the magic kicks in, if you only have a list of words, it can be any list of words. Say, this week's vocabulary words. Then you can paste that vocabulary list into the big box, 1 per line, and click on the Click to Generate AI button. The AI will create the clues for each of your vocabulary words automatically. All you need to do is then simply remove the original list, which is preserved in case you don't like what the AI provided. Then click on the Transfer Clues to Form button, and you can generate your puzzle from there. Can it get more easy than that? Well, yes it can. I did tell you that they get more awesome as we go. So here's the third and easiest way that you can create a crossword puzzle on theteacherscorner.net. You don't need any words at all. Simply take a single subject and place it into the smaller subject box and send it off to the AI gods. Here's an example. Right now my students are reading The Catcher in the Rye by J.D. Salinger. So I will ask for something very specific. Say, The Catcher in the Rye, chapters 10 to 20 only, and then send it. And look at that. The AI gods generate everything for me. I just transfer it to the form below. And once everything is in the form, you just slide down to the big green Make Crossword Puzzle button and click it. And there you have it! A puzzle made in almost no time. And really, almost no work. OMG! If you haven't been to this website before, be sure to stay a while and look around. They have all sorts of cool tools in their worksheet and puzzle makers. You might try the fill-in-the-blank worksheet maker. It uses some of the same AI and makes creating a fill-in-the-blank as simple as making this crossword was. I definitely recommend it.